Hey guys, what's up? This is Jay from Sentinel Trading Channel. It's been a long time. I think it's about 1 week since my last video, and I'm so sorry for the delay because I've been working on a new theory on how to use the BinBot Pro effectively. So basically, I've been researching a new method. So before I go into a newer method, first of all, I would like to update you guys about my balance, and as you can see, my balance stands at 21,692. So it is like a really epic, basically an epic result for me, because after applying the new method, things seems to be pretty good, and I've been continuously testing it. So this is the third day that I've been testing it so far. There was very positive sign when I first used it. All right, so the real reason why I'm actually looking for a new method is the previous method, meaning using the RSI and the ATR conditions. The newer method isn't too far off from that. It's actually an additional or an improvement from the previous method. So the previous method actually worked well for most people. However, as time goes by, we probably still see like a couple of losing streaks here and there, and then there will be some losing days. So I think it's probably due to the different trading time, or like that causes a different result and different market situation. So in order to control losses, for now I would ask you guys to limit to one trade for each time the ATR and RSI conditions meet. That is for the old method, all right? And at the same time, also limit your losses to maybe like 2 a day. And then like if you were to lose 2 a day, maybe you should wait for a few hours before you trade again at different ATR levels or different market volatility level. So through this feedback actually, so as you guys been watching a couple of my videos since last time, the old method does work. It's just that in short, it's still not like perfect in a sense. There's no such thing as a perfect method anyway. So I would intend to actually try to minimize the bad situation by improving the old method. So hence I've been testing a couple of new theories. So I figured that we need to add one more indicator to help time our trades. So as most of my subscribers, they give me the trade history. There's most of the problem comes when we actually turn on the robot. So the timing where we turn on the robot might be a little bit different, and therefore the robot actually execute the trade in a slightly different timing. So just to give you a sneak peek, so I'm actually adding stochastic into the price chart to actually help the timing. However, I'm testing different settings for the stochastic, so it is not finalized yet. The first day, let's say for example, if you guys were to see my balance, this is the old balance in this box that I picked up at about 11,000 over here, and after applying the new method, because I've got a massive winning streak that brought my winnings way higher to 25,000. So if you guys were to check my trading history, I had a massive winning streak on the 24th, which is the days where I test. 24th, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 winning streak that actually instantly double up my account. So that is after on the first day of testing my new method. So yeah, so when I was testing it for 2 days, I was really extremely happy. So I thought I found it like a really good stuff. So however, for like today on the, let's see, today, what date is it again? It's 26. And actually I've tested a couple of trades playing around with the settings with my test account, smaller test account, and it actually didn't work out that well actually for today. I think the win rate is about 50%. So I think it's about 60 to 70%, but it's not as good. However, the stuff that I did was exactly the same as the previous 2 days, but it was just a different situation, like different market condition today that actually made it perform less. So and what I did different was, as you can see, the trade execution time is very different from last time. Like last time what I did was let's see, where's the 23rd? yeah, 23rd. So 23rd, I actually turned on the robot here, and then I took 3 trades in a row. Like every 10 minutes there's one trade. So as for this one and for the previous 2 days, as you can see, the time is really different. So that means I've actually only taken one trade each time. So once I took one trade, I turn on the robot, then I turn it off. So that's one major difference to this new improvement that I've just implemented. So what I'm going to do actually is to test maybe for another, I need more data actually. I needed to test for maybe another 2 more trading days. Maybe tomorrow will be 1 trading day. Hopefully tomorrow is a Friday, as of right now that I'm recording this video. So I do need maybe another 2 to 3 days for you guys, for my subscribers. So please be patient and wait for more test data for me to confirm it. So and also for those that are practicing the older methods, please limit yourself to 1 trade each time the RSI and ATR condition is met, and limit your losses to 2 per day or 2 per, like, in whatever trading session that you would try to trade on. Because the old method, it does work. It's just that whenever you sense that things are not going so well, you should limit your losses first, and we kind of need to wait for a better market situation or better luck for us to actually earn a lot of money. So that's the nature of trading, and the market isn't always kind every single day. So and especially for those who have signed up using my link and actually are receiving support from me, you guys would probably need to wait as well, but you guys will be notified the soonest, because since we are communicating quite often, and you guys are getting my support on using the BinBot Pro. So generally, like I said, the old method still works. You guys can continue trading it, but do remember to limit yourself by 1 trade per RSI and ATR condition, and also limit your loss for maximum 2 per trading session or something like that. And also I noticed that the ATR conditions, if we were to check out the charts, let me look at it. Let me zoom out the ATR chart. As you can see, like you can see 0.1 here, 0.001, 0.002, 0.002. So previously my advice is to trade on 0.002 to 0.004. all right. So and if you notice, the 0.002, if you bring the line over here, let's say even over here, it still says 0.002. However, I would prefer not to trade around this region, because this region, let's see over here, from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Let's look at the candle from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So alright, so as you guys can see, the 5 p.m. to 6 p.m, which is over here. Let's see, where's my brush tool? 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. So the candles are starting to get really small. Even right now, it's still very small. So because as you can see, let's bring up the ATR. Right now it's clearly 0.001 in the line, but if we move slightly above, it's already 0.002. So the point is, do not trade at areas that is hugging the 0.001 line. So as you can see, the 0.001 line is over here. It's over here. Yeah, basically over there. Yep. So this line 0.001, do not once, and this line, this area is 0.002 also, but do not trade during this area as well. The first half of 0.002, the areas that's hugging the 0.0001 line, do stop trading at that point in time. So you can start trading when it is above this 0.002 line. Let's see, from here and above. Yeah, basically. You know why it's confusing? Because even though if we put our cursor over here, as you can see on the right, it is still saying 0.0002, but it is not volatile enough. The market is not really moving much. So you guys should avoid this. And yeah, so basically, if the ATR line is very near the area that is hugging the 0.0001 limit, do not trade on that time. Okay, so this applies to, I think, even the old method, which is the RSI and ATR condition only, and also in the future my new improved method, I would also suggest the same criteria. We do not trade during that area of time, I mean that ATR level. Alright, so I guess that's pretty much all. It's pretty much like a quick announcement to let you guys know what my balance is and what I'm up to. Basically, I'm looking at a new method, still testing. So you guys will probably need to wait a little bit longer because I need two more days of trading data for me to confirm that it actually works, or at least statistically there's some sort of reliability in that method. So that's all for today. So overall things are looking positive because the growth like instantly double my account through the new method. It is definitely positive. I wouldn't say it's not positive. And even my old method is the one that brought my balance from 500 all the way up to 10 grand. It is still looking good as well. It's just that losses do happen at times, so we as a trader, we have to learn how to limit our losses and then trade different situations, and we have to try to be a little bit more consistent by identifying what actually works for us. All right, so I would like to thank you guys for all your patience, for listening, and also been following my blog. So if you guys are new, especially, please subscribe and like this video. And also, if you guys are interested in joining the BinBot Pro, please use the link in the description box below or in the comment box to gain access to my support and also the email list that I provide for for other people that sign up using my link. So the email is basically a quicker announcement rather than I need to make a video announcement or you guys have to manually come and check in with me. So it's like a more of a personal support that you guys have any more questions, give more priority to those that has signed up using my link, because I do get tons of email and tons of questions requesting for help. Unfortunately, I have to prioritize people that sign up using my link first before attending to anyone else. Alright, so anyone that's interested, please use the link below to register, and after you register, please contact me by Skype or email. That the contact details is on your screen right now. So if you guys have already registered, please let me know the email address that you used to register before you deposit the funds, and once I confirm, you guys can go ahead to deposit it. Alright, so for anyone else, if you guys have any questions, please email me or add me on Skype as well. I will try to attend to you guys as soon as possible. So alright guys, so I guess that's it for this episode. So good luck guys on your trading, and hopefully you guys are getting more positive results as well. So remember, if any question, you guys can contact me, but at the same time I'm giving more priority to members that sign up using my link. Alright, so please understand, I do love you guys. However, because due to a massive amount of emails and messages, I do have to prioritize. Alright, so alright guys, so good luck and trade safe. Till next time guys.